I already have my foundation on. What I'm wearing is my Bobbi Brown skin foundation stick in Almond. And I honestly never wear this foundation, but I got a few like breakouts and shit. But like, yo, when they say skin, bitch, skin. Alright.
So next we're gonna do highlight and contour. Apparently, like I don't do brows first and shit no more. So yeah, work with me.
Alright, so basically I took my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep and mixed it with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Chestnut. And yeah, I'm just blending all of it out. I put it everywhere I want highlighted.
Alright, so yeah, this is what we looking like. Very full coverage underneath the eyes. And now I'm gonna take my TooFaced setting powder and I'm going to push that into the skin, no bake. Alright, so boom, we looking like this, the little powder donut, you feel me? Next, I'm gonna do my brows, and I just want to make sure, I let y'all know, I powder my brows because I do put foundation all over, primer all over, lotion all over, so I put powder on my brows to make sure that I don't have to worry about my face getting oily where my brows are and my brows disappearing.
These niggas fake, they phony. Coming in hot, I'm toasty. And I'm posted up, I'm cozy.
Straight in the hoop like Kobe. These niggas fake, they phony. Coming in hot.
Are they doing? Oh yeah, we can't do this shit on camera. Bye y'all, bye. Okay.
I keep it bad like a nerd. Keep the little dot to the curb. Down, what is the word? Your girl, she think that I'm. Oh my god.
What's this shit? Oh, well, fuck, dropped it. I believe it's the Locket Brow Cream by Elf in the shade medium brown.
So I'm just going to brush my brows till I feel like they look how I want them to. Y'all, it's 3:15, right? My roommate texted me asking if I was gonna be ready by 3. Now I feel like she only texted me asking if I was gonna be ready by 3 because she went to go see her little boyfriend before we left. Like, girl, I could have took a whole nap and I could have given my tutorial. Like, you ain't have to flex on me. You could have went to go see your man, but wait.
Yeah. You will? It ain't.
Alright, so I'm gonna put on some mascara, some lashes, and then I'm gonna come back and do highlight, blush, lip color. Yeah.
Alright, so for highlight, I used my Master Chrome by Maybelline in Molten Gold. So I'm gonna take some of this Rose d'Oro. And yo, that's all. I don't really know what lip color. I kind of want to wear brown. Like, cause I don't ever.